In a 3-digit number, the 100th digit is twice the 10th digit. The 100th digit is twice the 10th digit. So 100th digit is related to the 10th digit, while the units digit is thrice the 10th digit. So units digit is also related to the 10th digit. Okay. Also, the sum of its digits is 18. The sum of the digits of the 3 digits, if you add up the 3 digits, the sum is 18. Question is find the number. Now you see that the hundredths digit here is related to the tens digit. The units digit is also related to the tens digit. So what you start with by saying is, let the tens digit of the number be x. Let the tens digit of the original number be x. So therefore, what is the hundredths digit? Hundredths digit. It is, if you read the problem, it is given that the hundredths digit is twice the tenth digit. So this is hundredth digit is 2x. And what is the units digit? What is the units digit?
The
Thrice the
thrice the
hundredth.
tenth digit.
So this must be 3x. So what is the usual representation of the original number? Usual representation of the original number. First we shall write the hundredth digit. 2x is the hundredth digit. Next we shall write the tens digit, which is x. And next we shall write the units digit. This is your usual representation. Okay. Also it is given here that the sum of the digits is 18. Okay. Now if you want to write the generalized representation, you are welcome to do it, but we don't need the generalized representation. Still, let us write it. Generalized representation of the original number is equal to 2x is a hundredths place digit, 100 into 2x. X is the tens place, so 10 into x, and this is the units place. So you get 200x plus 10x plus 3x. So you get 213x as your generalized representation. Okay. Now look at the second condition. It is given that the sum of the digits is 18. So according to this problem, the sum of the digits is 18. That means 2x plus x plus 3x must be equal to 18. Let's solve this equation. You get 6x is equal to 18. That means x is equal to 18 by 3, which is 6. So we've got the value of x. And what is x? X is the tens digit. So therefore tens digit is equal to x is equal to 6. Okay. Next is your hundredths digit. What is the hundredths digit? 2x. Hundredths digit hundredths digit is equal to 2x is equal to, oh, this is 3, not um, 18 by 6 it should be.
Yes, sir, that only is true.
It'll be 3. So x is 3 here, tens digit, and this is 2 into 3, which is 6, and therefore the units digit here is 3x. 3 into 3, 9. So therefore, what is the original number? original number. First the hundreds digit 6, then the tens digit 3, and then the units digit. So this is your original number. If you see here, why I was saying that you don't need the generalized representation here is because if you see, I have not used this in any part of the problem. Have I used this? You don't see that I've used 213x in any part of the problem. So for this problem, actually the generalized form was not required. So anyway, so let us move on to the next problem here. The problem that you have doubts here is number 2 and 3. Okay, so let's just, I just wanted to discuss one problem, but since you have given 2 and 3, I'll give you the outline of the problem so that you can solve it later on your own. The question here is, if you see number 2, the question here is the units digit of a 2-digit number is 3 and 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. Find the number. So if you see the first condition, the units digit of a 2-digit number is 3. So units digit is given to be, and this is a 2-digit number. So the units digit is 3. Okay. And 7 times the sum of its digits is the number itself. So what is missing? Only the tens digit is missing. So let us assume the tens digit. Let the tens digit of the 2-digit number let the tens digit of the 2-digit number be x. Therefore, usual representation of the original number is what? Tens digit is x and the units digit is 3. So what is the generalized representation? What is the generalized representation of the original number? 10 into x plus 3 into 1, which is 10x plus 3. Okay. Now we read the next condition that is given here. And 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. 7 times the sum of the digits. What is 7 times the sum of the digits?
Yeah.
7 times.
बोलती है तो क्लास करने दो। हाँ झूठा कब बोली दिखा तो दिखा ना समझ
7 times the sum of the digits is 7, and what is the sum of the digits? X plus 3. 7 times the sum of the digits means 7 into sum of the digits. Now it is given here that the 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. So 7 times the sum of the digits is the number itself. What is the number? 10x plus 3. You solve this equation, you get the value of x and you get the number x3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Third one. I'm not solving. Okay, you do it on your own. Third one. In a 2-digit number, the digit at the units place is thrice the digit in the tens place. Okay. The digit at the units place is thrice the digits in the tens place. So since the units digit is related to the tens place, so I assume let the tens place digit be, let the tens place. the digit at the units place is thrice the, let the tens place digit, yes. Let the tens place digit in the 2-digit number be x. Okay. So therefore, what is the units digit? If you read the problem here, the units digit is thrice the digit in the units place in the tens place. So units digit is equal to 3 into tens digit, 3x. Next, the number exceeds the sum of its digits by 27. So what is the sum of the digits here? Let me first write the usual and the generalized representation. Usual representation of the number, of the original number. Usual representation of the original number is tens place, units place is 3x and the tens place is x. Okay. Next, generalized representation of the original number, 3x into 10 plus x into 1, because 3x is in the tens place and x is in the units place. So this is 31x. Okay. Sakina, you have just come. You have just joined. Or you were there and you got disconnected. Okay. What was the next condition given here? The number exceeds the sum of its digits by 27. What do you mean by exceed? Exceed means is more than. Okay, that is what exceed means. The number exceeds the sum of its digits by 27. So let us find out the sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? Sum of the digits here is 3x plus x, which is 4x, and is given here that the number exceeds the sum of its digits. That means the number, this number 31x is more than the sum of the digits. That is 31x is more than 4x by how much? 27. So according to the problem, 31x minus 4x must be equal to 27. You solve and you will get the answer. You will get x is equal to 1 in this case. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So I move on to the next exercise. I move on to the divisibility tests. Okay. Divisibility tests. I will not do many. I will just do one problem because divisibility test, all the types I have already discussed. Okay. I will do your 7 part 3 here that you have. Okay. This is divisibility by 11. Now in the assignment that I give you, I worked out only one problem on divisibility by 11. So I'll work it out and I will show you divisibility by 9 here. Okay, all the others you can do on your own. All these, you know, all the divisibility tests, you can try them out. Okay, but the question that are important for your examination are these kind of questions, 7 and 9. Let us look at 7 first. Test the divisibility of each of the following numbers by 11. So I choose this number. So the given number is 818532. Okay, you label the numbers. in serial order starting from the right hand side. So this is your first position, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now you add up the numbers in the even positions. 2, 4, 6 you add up, and you add up the numbers in the odd positions. So 5, 3, and 1. You add up these digits. Okay, so what do you get here? You get 3 plus 8 plus 8. 16 plus 3 is how much? 19. And here, what is the sum? 1 plus 5 plus 2. 8. Okay. So what is the difference here? Difference here is 19 minus 8, which is 11. So is 11 is a multiple of 11? 11 is divisible by 11. Since 11 is divisible by 11, therefore 818532 is also divisible by 11. Any questions? Next question 9.2. Find the least number which should replace star in the number 89 star 2 to make it exactly divisible by 9. So let us write the number first. This is question number 9.2. Okay. The given number is 89 star 2. Okay. Now, has Kripa not joined today? Kripa is not here, no? Kripa's section
Sir, Kripa is there.
is there. Okay. I can't see her name. Fine. The given number is 89 star 2. Let star be the digit x. Let star be the digit. Let star be the digit x. So therefore, what is the number? The number is 89x2, where x can be equal to 0 or 1 or 2 and anything between 0 and 9. Now clearly this is given to be divisible by 9. 89 star 2 is divisible by 9. Sum of the digits is equal to 8 not star. This time I'll just write an x here because I've already taken it as x. Sum of the digits here is 8 plus 9 plus x plus 2. Okay, 11 plus 8 is 19 and 19 plus x. So this is the sum of the digits. Okay, and since this number is divisible by 9, therefore 19 plus x must also be divisible by 9. And what can be possible values of 19 plus x? Therefore, 19 plus x can either be equal to 0, or it can be equal to 9, or it can be equal to 18, or 27, or 36, or 45, and so on, right? But the question is, what values will I accept? If you see, 19 plus x is equal to 0 if I take the first value, then I'll get x is equal to minus 19. Not possible, right? Because x is a digit. Next, why so much of chatting? So next value that you take here is 19 plus x. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I couldn't hear anything from
Okay,
before, sir. So
no
now
problem.
only I can hear that.
I could not see your name also. That's why.
Sir, but I could see the screen, but I couldn't hear
Hear
anything, sir.
anything? Okay, okay. So this is 9 minus 19 is minus 10. Again, not possible. Okay, let us take the next value. 19 plus x is equal to 18. So now 18 is very close to 19, so it should be possible. But I still see here that 18 minus 9 gives me minus 1, which is again not possible. So that means that now I have to take a number that is greater than 18. So therefore, 19 plus x is equal to 27. This will give me 27 minus 19, which is 8, which is possible. In fact, what you also see is that if you take 19 plus x is equal to 36, then you get x is equal to 36 minus 19, it's 17, which is also not possible. So the only possible value of x here is 8. Hence, star is the digit. The only possible, let's write it this way, the only possible value of value of star is 8. Okay, so this is what your answer should be. Any questions on this problem? No questions? We move on to the next exercise if you don't have any question. Now these are a new type of questions, that these are the main type of questions that I wanted to discuss, because all the other types I have already discussed under assignments and under my notes. This is the new type of question that I would like to discuss here. Let us start with number 2. This is an addition operation, just like you add numbers. Okay. Where each of these alphabets, A, B, C, D, these are all digits. It can take any value between 0 and 9. It can be either be equal to 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or anything till 9. And if you add these two numbers, what you are getting here is 8, 2, 4, 3. Now the question is, what can be the values of A, B, C, and D? Okay. So first, you see the first one. How do you add? You add 8 plus A, right? 8 plus A, where A is a digit. If you add 8 plus something, how can it give you 3? There's only one chance that if A is equal to 5. So what I write is, with a pencil, I write 5 here. This is my guess value, okay? This is the value that I'm guessing. So if A is equal to 5, then this becomes 13. 1 should be carry, right? 8 plus 5, 13. Next, I add up 7 plus 1, 8. 8, 8 plus B, 8 plus B must give you a 4. How can 8 plus something give you a 4? If 8 plus 4, 12 can give you 8 plus 6, can give you 14. So I can get a 4 here. So that means the possible value of B can be 6 here, because if you add 7 plus 1 plus 8 will give you 14. So 1 is again carry here. Okay. 9 plus 1 will give you 10. 10 plus what digit will give you a 2 here? If I take C is equal to 2, then I'll get 10 plus 2, 12. So 1 is again carry. Okay. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus a single digit will give you 8. How? If I take D is equal to 2. So therefore, so this all clicks. Everything falls in the right place. So therefore, I don't need to try any other value. So the values of A is 5, B is 6, C is 2, and D is 2. And what is the addition operation? 5, 2, 6, 8, 2, 9, 7, 5. And the actual operation that they wanted was this. Okay. Any question on this?
No, sir.
Let us
No,
move on
sir.
to number 3. Number 3 here. Now, if you see number 3, this problem, this is a single digit, the sum of 3 single digits. Now, there's no option here for you but to try out each digit one by one here. Okay. You have to try out each digit one by one. Let me just erase this. So you have A, A, A. When you add, you're getting a digit here which is equal to A, and you're getting another digit here, B. So what can be the digits? You try out all the possible values. 1 plus 1 plus 1. If I take A is equal to 1, how much will I get? I'll get a 3 here, and I'll get a 0 here. But I must get an A here, right? But 3 is not A. A is 1, isn't it? So I cannot accept 1. So next what I do here is I try it with 2. 2. Add up, how much do you get? 8. Which is again not possible, because I have got another digit here which is coming to 0. Okay. But the main problem is that I have taken A is equal to 2, but A here I am getting 8. So again, this is also not possible. Next, you try it with 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give you a 9. Again, this is not possible because A I have taken 3, and here A here I am getting as 9, which is not possible. You can try it with 4 also. What you will see here is that if you put A is equal to 5, then you will get, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. So you're getting a 5 here, and you're getting a 1 here. So if when you have taken A is equal to 5, you're still getting A is equal to 5. So what are the values of A and B? The values of A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. And what is the operation here? 5 plus 5, 5 will give you a 15. This is the operation that they were wanting. Okay. I think just time for maybe one more sum. I'll say number 5. Number 6. All these are logic based problems, trial and error. You try it with different digits and see whether it clicks. Okay. So you have AB into 3. You get C, A, B. Okay. So now if you see, when you carry out a multiplication, you multiply these two digits, right? So if you take the digit b as 1, then 3 into 1, will it give you, is it giving you b back? No, it is not, because b I have taken as 1. So 1 is not possible. Next we try it with 2. 3 into 2 is giving, it will give you 6. Again, we are getting two different values of b. So 2 is also not acceptable. With 3, will I get? Let's see. If I put 3, then I get 3 into 3, 9. Again with 3, I'm not getting. 4 also not possible, because 4 into 3 is 12. 5 into 3, 15. Yes, 5 may be possible. So if I put 5, I get 5 into 3, 15. So I get 5, and 1 is carry here. Okay. Next, 3 into a plus 1 is giving you these two digits. So what digit in place of a should I put? And when I add it, I must get CA. Let us try a as 1. So 3 into 1 plus 1 is giving you 4, 0, 4. But a is equal to 1 here, I have taken. So it is not possible. So 1 is not possible. We will now try it with 2. Okay, take a, 1 was already carry here. Let me write the carry. Okay, let's take a as 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So you're getting 0, 6. But a I had taken as 2. Right? So it is not possible. A I am getting here as 6. So this is also not possible. Okay. So what digit is possible? If you take a as 5, 1 was carry. Let me write the carry. I'm erasing the carry always. 1 was carry here. If I take a as 5 here, then let's multiply. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16 you are getting. But a I had taken as 5. Right? So that is also not possible. Okay. And you try it with other digits also. Try it with 6. 6 also you will not get. 7. 7 also you will not get. Then what are the possible values? I don't know what are the possible values. So what happens is that I will have to reset my first assumption. That is, I have taken b as 5.